something that was a really great idea, but you were just kind of scared to do it. I'm having that kind of experience with this. So here's some thoughts that I recorded the other day, and I wanted to relate them to the tools of courage and vulnerability, because it's hard to be vulnerable without having courage, just like a pair of pliers needs both parts in order for you to get them to work. So take a listen to this vulnerability, and also a fun life hack tie-in about finding the humor and being able to laugh at yourself. I want to do these videos, and I'm scared to, and I'm going to do them wrong. And that is keeping me from doing them. Dumb little things like looking at myself talking instead of looking into the camera, so I'm looking at you while I'm talking. My audience is just going to be done wrong. And that's okay, because the point of these videos is not to show off my awesome videography skills. The point of these videos is to share with you stuff I've learned that's helped me. So if my lack of video skills and whatever else you might find to criticize about it is keeping you from watching, that's totally fine with me, because it's keeping me from doing them. Oh. So one of my favorite tools that I've learned is how to laugh at myself. And I think I'm doing a pretty darn good job of that this morning. I used to self-destruct with self-criticism, and now when I notice things about myself that are part of my part amazing, part hot mess reality, I can laugh at them, and that really is a huge benefit to me to not take it so seriously. What's that guy? Some guy wrote a book called Don't Sweat the Small Stuff. I think that's kind of the same idea. Laugh at yourself if you can. I also saw a really good meme said, learn to laugh at yourself so that when your teenagers laugh, you can laugh with them. When your teenagers laugh at you, you can laugh with them. Something like that. Anyhow, okay, just wanted to get that out of the way. And this whole process terrifies me, but I'm gonna give it a try, because I'm trying to do something good that will put some good into the world, as imperfect as it may be. Pretty brave, huh? If you'd like to add a comment about something that you've done that required some vulnerability and courage, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Thanks.